really holy, likes to do things his own way.
Come on, friends, let's seize the day.
Silly duck.
King Duckling. This is Wombat, she's real smart.
Look, I made a work of art.
Chumpkins is a techie pig.
Computers, yeah, I like them big.
King Duckling. King Duckling. Check it out, the hilly pad, the helicopter's really rad.
Let's fly to space.
Sail the sea.
Careful, dude, there's a tree.
Thanks.
Aww.
You guys are awesome. Nature Trail Tale.
Quiet day with a book. Sweet.
Okay, you serious-looking aliens, prepare to be tickled! Laugh, you little critters!
It's just giggling aliens, Wombat. Stay focused.
Skippity-bow. Diddly-dee. Skippity-hoo. Dippity-me.
It's just a little noise. Nothing to get upset about. Boys, I'm trying to concentrate.
Me too.
Me too. Bobbity-boo. Dippity-me.
Would you please be quiet? It's just too much noise.
You're the one who's yelling, Wombat.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to yell. But you guys are just so noisy sometimes.
Well, sure, Wombat. Nobody ever learned to be a great pot drummer by being quiet.
That may be true. But some things are best enjoyed in a quiet way. Like reading a book.
I don't know. I'm pretty sure the best things in life come with sound effects. Like a good joke. Or a bad joke.
Or cooking up a tune. Get it? Cooking?
Yes. Look, I'm not saying you can't make any noise, but sometimes it's nice just to enjoy some peace and quiet. Hey, I have an idea!
And a huge light bulb over your head.
Oh, sorry. My idea is we take a nice, quiet walk in the woods.
Really? What's in the woods?
No internet. I know that much.
That's right, Chumpkins! And no computers and no music. Look, the woods, where we can enjoy peace and quiet and the gentle sounds of nature. What do you say?
Or we could stay here and I'll just play some nature sounds. Like a babbling brook. Or the wind in the trees. Or is that someone scratching an itch?
It's not the same, guys. Come on. A nice walk in the woods will change your lives.
I'm in, Wombat. I am ready to experience this thing called peace and quiet. Can I bring my pot?
No.
Fine. No pots allowed. Wait for it.
Okay, I'll come too. The saddest sound I know.
Here we are. The woods.
See? Nothing but nature. Boring.
I don't know, Chumpkins. I think it's kind of pretty.
Yes, and quiet. Listen. Did you hear that?
What is it?
I think it's someone scratching an itch.
No, that's the wind passing through the leaves. Look.
Wow, it's beautiful.
I could take it or leave it. Get it? Leave it?
Everyone, shh! Hear that? A chipmunk!
Wow, a chipmunk munching on a nut.
What do you think, Chumpkins?
Nutty. I don't know. Maybe nature's just not my thing. What is that? Such lovely music. Is there a speaker in a tree?
No, Chumpkins. It's a bluebird.
Look!
Wow, a bluebird building a nest. I've only seen that online.
Now that's music.
What did I tell you?
I get it now, Wombat. Nature rocks.
Yes, it does. Come on, let's see what else we can hear.
Here.
Wait, listen.
Hey, it's Chumpkin's babbling brook track.
No, Peking, it's a real brook.
A real brook?
Yep, look. It's better than my track.
Wow, look at that!
It looks like your poster.
It certainly does.
Except it's missing the deer. Never mind.
Ooh, that looks comfy.
This is perfect. My best friends and the